First, you must create a website. To create a new website, from this page, simply click on the Create Website button, or from Manage Websites, go to Website Lists, then click Add New Website. After clicking on Add New Website, you will be presented with a form with several options. The first being the website type. Here we feature two website types, Custom Domain Name and WordPress Website. By selecting the Custom Domain Name option, you can use your own domain name. You simply have to provide your domain name, then select the website template, and fill in the other appropriate information, like your website logo, contact email, About Us content, and your social media links. Once you have completed and downloaded the template, you will need to upload the template to the root directory of your domain, where it will need to be extracted. Once you have extracted the content to the root directory of your domain, all of your content associated with will be transferred over. The other option we have here is the WordPress website option. Here you simply provide your WordPress website URL, and we will provide you with a plugin. This plugin will synchronize all the content with your WordPress site. So let's go ahead and create this first example website. Clicking on Custom Domain Name, enter in your domain name. Select your template, upload your website logo, and contact email. Once you have filled out the other website footer setting information, click Save Website. As you can see, your new website has been created. Now that you have created your website, you need to create some categories. From the left-hand navigation, click on Manage Categories. Then click Add New Category. From here, enter the category name. In this example, we will go with automobiles first. Then, from Website, select the website you just created. Here you can enable or disable the category. Then click Save Category. For the sake of this demonstration, I will go ahead and create two additional categories. Now your next option is to create pages for your website. For this demonstration, go to Manage Pages, then click Add New Pages. Enter in the page name. In this example, we will be creating an About Us page. Select the website. You can select to enable or disable the page. Click here to upload your featured image, and then insert the About Us content. Once you have added all of your content, you can click on Save Page. Here you will see that your new page has been created. Now that your page has been created, it's time to add new content. Click on the Search Content from the left-hand navigation. Then click Create Website Content. On this page, select the website. Next, select the category that you just created. Next, you can select a new source from which you can enter in your custom RSS source URL, or opt for an existing source. For this example, we will use from the automobile section 3 of these content sources. Then click the Save button. When the page reloads, you can see that your new content sources are seen here. Next, I will go ahead and add the sources for the other two categories. You can also add advertisements by clicking on the Ad Manager section. Click on Add New Advertisement. Select the website, select its position, then select the advertisement type. In this example, we will upload an image. Here you can insert the URL and then you can click to navigate to your file. Then click Save Advertisement. Now if we jump over to the live page, we can see that all of the changes have been implemented. Here we can see our logo, the banner ad, and our 3 categories. as well as our About Us page. Here on the live page, you can see there are additional places for additional advertisement, as in this right-hand side here, as well as you can see the popular posts are listed down here, and an additional advertisement location. Here on the back on the home page, you can see that each of our categories has been populated with the latest content. Good luck, and thanks for watching.